In this video, I will be showing you how to make a teleporter in Roblox Studio. So first, you just have to open your Roblox Studio here. And then the first thing you must do is to go to Workspace. And here we have to create folder. So create folder here. And then after that, you have to create parts. Okay, so always remember that the first part will serve as your location. The second is your teleporter. So here I have to click plus and then search for part. That serves as part one. And then you can duplicate this one, or you just have to click plus again and create part two. Okay, so feel free to adjust and resize this one. So here it is. Now, if you want to change the position or move it, then you just have to go to this part at the top left corner. You will see there move, scale, and other option. You just have to tap that one. Okay, so to adjust, you just have to drag it up if you want to resize this boxes here. Okay, and then same thing with the other box. So you can rename them with teleport or teleporter and location. Okay, so after that, after you adjust the size and then change the name, okay, so you can simply drag this to the place or the area where you want this to place. Okay, so for example, this one, I'm going to drag this teleporter to this area. Okay, so I'm gonna put it right here. After that, we can now make a script. So you just have to tap plus and then search for a script. And then I'm going to show you the script, and all you have to do is to follow this one. So this is your script. Okay, so once you type and copied this script, you can now go back to your studio. And if you notice, I changed teleporter and location to teleporter 1 and 2. Okay, so if I go to this area here, it will take me directly to this place. If I jump here, it will take me to this place and so on. So that's it. That's how easy it is to make a teleporter in Roblox Studio. So if you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up. Subscribe for more video tips and video tutorials.